When a national disaster strikes, world can have sympathy. Fellow Indians show helplessness, and the Indian government turns to its most trusted organization, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. What makes CSIR so special in the heart of every scientific disaster? Find out by yourself. Number 1. CSIR protected Indian scientific heritage. Popularly known in the scientific history of India as the Second Battle of Haldighati, CSIR fought the legal battle over turmeric patent, granted by US Patent Office, and won it. They not just saved a legacy drug, but also showed the world, when it comes to our scientific heritage, we take it very seriously. Dare not mess. Number 2. CSIR supported us in Tsunami. When we were badly hit by tsunami, our people were hit by a series of unsettling disasters. Example, lack of drinkable water, scarcity of food in tsunami-hit areas, and a big outbreak of diseases. Guess who was listening? CFTRI, Mysore, took upon themselves the mission of providing food to the survivors. It undertook the largest production of instant food in its history. More than 2 tons of food was sent daily to the affected areas for about 7 days to cater to about 50,000 to 1 lakh meals. Food items even took into account culinary preferences of the local people and the special nutrition requirement of children. CSMCRI, Bhavnagar, provided drinking water supply in the affected area by reverse osmosis process. CBRI, Roorkee, rushed a team of scientists to the affected areas. It is poised to provide backup support in rehabilitating devastated areas by providing pragmatic solutions to the repair and retrofit of existing infrastructure. SERC, Chennai, had proposed to help the survivors in structural assessment of damaged buildings and suggested repair or remedial measures. NIO scientists are working on a system to detect earthquakes below the ocean floor. NGRI's Seismological Observatory recorded the earthquake and its aftershocks. It continues to monitor the areas and provides information so that appropriate action may be taken and loss of life and property minimized. Number 3. CSIR achievement in avionics. Saras is a 14-seater twin-engine turboprop aircraft fully pressurized for passenger comfort. It has a maximum speed of over 600 kilometers and a maximum range of 1200 kilometers. Its state-of-the-art avionics, electrical, environmental control and other systems make it a contemporary aircraft of the 21st century. Number 4. CSIR protects traditional knowledge. The Traditional Knowledge Digital Library, TKDL, is a collaborative project with the Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The main objective of this network project is to prevent misappropriation of India's rich heritage of traditional knowledge. India has had an unsavory experience of noting the grant of wrong patents on turmeric by USPTO and neem by EPO. These patents were successfully challenged by India and revoked in an expensive and time-consuming process. Number 5. CSIR BioSuite. 18 research institutes and 3 industries were brought together to develop the comprehensive, portable and versatile software package christened BioSuite. Led by TCS, the team has developed the software which will serve as a multi-purpose tool for carrying out diverse bioanalysis ranging from gene analysis to comparative genomics, pathway modeling to homology modeling, and molecular visualization and manipulation of drug designing. The software has several unique features which are not present in similar other packages available in the market. BioSuite comprises 8 modules involving 114 sub-modules and 243 algorithms. Number 6. CSIR role in elevating India-specific common diseases. Asthma, diabetes, Solaris, dengue, and tuberculosis were identified, and scientists have been working day and night to get an indigenous cure and have succeeded in most of them. Number 7. Marine research at CSIR. As a leading SAT organization of a nation rich in marine bounty, CSIR is also investigating our oceans. At an India-coordinated project, Drugs from the Sea, funded by Department of Ocean Development, Government of India, and coordinated by the Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, is being conducted in collaboration with 10 participating laboratories for explaining marine flora and fauna for development of drugs as well as herbal remedies. The program covers all aspects of drug research, including isolation of active modules, their characterization and development. Several promising samples have been found. Number 8. Bioactivates research at CSIR. The CSIR program on bioactives is a mammoth network program being coordinated by the R&D Planning Division, RDPD, CSIR. It engages 20 CSIR laboratories, 13 universities, and 3 well-known organizations in the traditional system of medicine. It involves screening of Ayurvedic formulations, plants, fungi, microbes, and insects against 14 disease areas, including cancer, tuberculosis, filaria, malaria, ulcer, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's diseases to identify new lead molecules. Work is being pursued in a well-coordinated manner with different dedicated groups carrying out well-defined tasks. For example, the Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, previously known as RRL Jammu, is the nodal laboratory for the investigation of the Unani drugs. Its activities are to participate in and coordinate plant collection, authentication, and fingerprinting. It also participates in and collaborates the biological activities, such as profiling of the extract to evaluate anti-cancer activity, in vitro cytotoxicity, and immunomodulatory and hepatoprotective, both in vivo and in vitro, activities of the samples prepared by the participating institutes. Number 9. 11 of 14 drugs developed in independent India comes from CSIR. You will be amazed to know about the many items of daily use that CSIR has helped develop. Its contribution expands to almost all fields of human activity, be it agriculture, health, defense, aerodynamics, genetic engineering, and the development of India's first supercomputer. 11 of the 14 new drugs developed in independent India are from CSIR. The entire list would be too long, so here is merely a sample. Amul baby food, Nutan stove, Saheli, a non-steroidal once-a-week oral contraceptive pill for women, Emal for resisting malaria, Asmon, a herbal therapeutic for asthma, Saras, a multi-role aircraft, Fiosolver, India's first parallel computer, Swaraj and Sonica tractors, and the indelible ink that is the mark of a proud Indian voter are gifts of CSIR to the nation. No wonder CSIR is recognized as one of the world's largest knowledge enterprises. Number 10. CSIR needs you. To make all of the above to happen, CSIR needs a constant flow of talent, and thus it needs researchers like you. Thus it conducts a national level exam called as CSIR Net to filter out talent which can join its labs. While the above 10 facts not just make us proud, but also signify how crucial CSIR role is in building future India, with our Honorable Prime Minister has taken on the leap of faith in elevating black money, come, take a step of faith. Join CSIR as a scientist and elevate the pain of our people. Your research can have a direct impact on the lives of billions of Indians, and work at this organization is definitely an act of national pride and duty. CSIR stood with us in the time of crisis, and now it's our turn. Will you? Write CSIR Net. Do your PhD in a CSIR lab. Support your nation. Stronger nation, stronger you.